Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set an event to repeat every other week on your Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. Open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus button at the bottom right to create a new event. After that, tap on event. Fill in the event details like title, date and time. Scroll down and tap on doesn't repeat. Tap on doesn't repeat. Under repeat every, set the number to and make sure the unit is set to weeks. This means the event will repeat every 2 weeks or every other week. Tap done or save to confirm the repeat settings. Now tap save at the top right to finish creating the event. And that's it. Your event will now repeat every other week on Google Calendar mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.